Hello again, you guys. It is me, Mr. Casto. I'm here going to be showing you guys how to do those cuts that you just saw. It's basically called the swing false cut and the 190 helix false cut. They do take some practice, but once you practice them a lot and you get those motions down, they become really easy to do and they can look really smooth. So make sure that you are practicing them a lot. But I'm going to be showing you guys how to do them. Hopefully it is in depth enough for you guys, just because I feel like I might be leaving steps out, or I might be going a little too quick over them. So if I do, please let me know and I will definitely find a way to remedy that in future videos and also in this one by doing something to help you out. If you aren't sure how to do it, let me know and I will definitely get back to you and be more in depth about it. Maybe different camera views, camera angles, maybe that might help. Not too sure. Still testing these stuff out, so just let me know down below in the comments. But without further ado, let's get into the tutorials. How it looks. You're such a dork. Your face is on the screen. You're such a dork.
Put a blooper. Blooper.
You're a dork. Alright, you guys, I'm going to show you how to do some simple cuts that you just saw earlier. Basically, they are false cuts, so it's keeping the card that's on the top after you finish the cut. So basically, it looks like this. That's one of them. That's just a basic swing false cut. Other one was I believe it's called the 190 helix false cut. That one has a little bit more moves to it, but looks like this. Just like that. And I'm going to go more in depth into how to actually do the cuts, but basically it's a way to make it look like you are actually mixing up the deck, when in reality you're actually keeping the card on top. So let me show you. King of clubs on top. Boom, still on top. It's a very simple, very effective way to make it look like you're actually mixing up the deck when you're not. So let me go ahead and show you how to do it. This is the easier of the two. First, the only thing you really need to know how to do is a swing cut. It's very easy. You hold the deck with your right hand or your dominant hand over the top, kind of like this. I guess it'd be like a biddle grip. So you want to have it so that way your index finger is going to be on the top corner, top left corner of the deck. And then you want to have your left hand on the bottom, kind of just a regular casual grip, how anyone would hold a deck basically. So what you do is you want to swing cut the first one. So you get your index finger in your right hand. You want to get on the top left corner and you want to kind of pick up a small packet basically. So basically you're in this position and then you lift up with your index finger. That's all you do, just lift up. And then when you lift up, you want to kind of pivot around your thumb. Kind of see that? You're pivoting around the thumb. So basically you're here and then you lift up and you pivot. So it's kind of in this weird awkward position where you have two separate packets. One is kind of like jogged over to the side. And what you do is you basically grab your non-dominant hand and you want to put the packet into the meaty, whatever you want to call this part, your thumb, index thing, I don't even know what you want to call it, but in between those fingers, just kind of jam it in there you're gonna push down and slide out. So you kind of have it in this little tight grip. Okay, and then you can kind of grab normal from there. So you lift it up, swing over, and you're in this position. So then what you do from that position is you want to lift up another one to do just another swing cut basically. And then when you go over to grab it, what you want to do is you want to return this bottom pack or this original pack to the bottom of the deck. And how you do that is when you go over to grab it, you want to go over to grab the new pack, slide the bottom pack or the top pack to the bottom and grab with your pinky and your thumb. Okay, so then you'd be in this position. Okay, let me show you with the top card exposed so it makes a little more sense. Okay, so we have King of Clubs on top. So we're going to swing top packet into our left hand. We're in this position. Then you want to swing another pack over. And then as you do that, you want to return the original pack to the bottom of the deck, just like that. Then you want to get this middle pack, slide it over. And then from here, what you can do is you can just slide the next one over and then slide this one on top. Or what you can do, so you swing one over, return, swing this one over, then you can do a swivel, which is basically you're going to get your thumb, put it on the back of that middle pack, and you want to swivel it around your middle finger. Okay? So you want to let go from your right hand thumb, and then swivel it around your right middle finger, and swivel it on top of the deck, and then you can place that one on top. Okay? So a little quicker motion, swing one over, swing another one over, and return the original to the bottom. You can even do a double swivel if you want, so swivel, swivel, boom. Okay? For you guys, one more time. So, swing cut one pack over, you want to swing cut another pack over, and return the original pack to the bottom, just like that. And then you want to grab that second pack, slide it over, swivel the bottom pack on the pivot point of your middle finger. Just swivel it so that way it returns to that deck, and then you can just place that on the top. So that's just if you want to keep the top card intact. If you want to keep the entire deck intact, then you have to do the bottom pack before the second pack. So I'll show you. You swing over. When you separate this, you want to return the first pack, and then you want to swivel out the middle pack, which is actually the bottom pack. So this is the bottom of the deck. So you swivel that one out, and then you can swivel that one out, and then put that one on top. So that way the entire deck stays the same. I hope that was slow enough and in-depth enough for you guys. Now I'm going to show you how to do the 190 Helix false cut, which again looks like this. So again, basically you start off with a swivel cut, or a swing cut, excuse me. You want to swing over the first pack, and instead of just grabbing it like that, well actually you do just grab it like that, but you have to do something else as well. You want to tuck your ring finger underneath, so when you swing it, it's like that, and then you want to have your ring finger, can you see that? It's tucked underneath, like that. So you swing over, tuck in your ring finger, you slide it over, and then you want to grab your pinky, your middle, and your index. It can all go on the side of the card right there, because then basically all you're doing is you're just straightening out your fingers. So that way your ring finger is on the top, and then your other three fingers on bottom. That's all you're doing, is just you're straightening out the deck. I'll show you one more time. Swing, tuck, grip, extend. Okay? So, from that position, when you tuck, grip, extend, then you just do another swing cut. One more packet over, and then you curl your fingers back again. So that way you're in this kind of position. It's a little awkward at first, trust me, I know. But basically you're gonna have the second packet, the top packet, and then your middle finger in between both of them, like that. Okay? So you just, boom. From this position, you just curl your fingers back again, so you're right here. Then what you do, you swing over another pack, and then you want to you want to grip the original packet, which is still on top, just like you were doing a regular false cut, just like that. And then you want to swivel out this pack, and then swivel out that one, and then place it on top, okay? So I'll show you what it looks like with the top card exposed. I'll do it quick so that way you can kind of see what it looks like fast motion, okay? So you take out 3 spades, swing, boom, 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 okay? So it's not gonna be a cut to keep the entire deck in order, it's only to keep the top card on top. Because when you do that first motion and you kind of extend out, when you put the second pack into your hand, you curl over, basically that second pack that you just swung over is gonna be staying on the bottom of the deck, okay? So from this position, then you want to grasp that top deck, or the top packet, and then you want to swivel out the next one, and then the next one, and then on top, okay? So what you do is you swing over, curl your ring finger, grasp and extend, swing over another pack into your little crevice right there, and then curl your fingers back over. Then swing cut another pack after you return the top pack to the bottom of the deck, okay? And then you want to swing over and boom, okay? I keep doing it, man. I feel like I'm dyslexic. I keep doing the wrong swivel when I do it slow. Okay, you swing over like that, like that. When you return it, there we go. That's what I was doing wrong. Okay, when you swing over and you want to return the original pack to the bottom, you get your thumb right there onto this corner and you pivot it around both thumbs. So it's going to be pivoting around this thumb and this thumb. Because then when you do that, it's pivoting around those thumbs. It's a little hard to see, but it's basically pivoting. That's the pivot point, is the thumb. That's where all the cards are held. So you swing it, or you swivel it, and then you swivel this one around your index finger, and then you place it on top. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. I hope I'm going enough into depth with you guys. I feel like I'm repeating myself a lot, but a lot of it is just kind of repetition. It's just practicing over and over and over again those simple moves, which is basically the swing cut, which is pivoting along your thumb, lift, swing, and then you get it into that little crevice. You want to tuck your ring finger underneath and then extend all your fingers so that way that's on top. Swing cut another pack over into the crevice and then curl your fingers back over. When you go to swing cut that fourth pack, or that third pack, return the original pack to the top and use your thumb to swivel around your left thumb and swivel onto the deck, and then swivel all around your index finger onto the deck and then place it on top. Okay? Where are you guys? One more time. Just boom, boom. Oh, I messed it up. Dang, okay. There we go. It looks better if you try not to rush it. If you do rush it, and you are really good at it, it can be good, but if you go a little slower, so that way you make your moves look better, when you're first starting off at least, that's usually the better way to go. Just so that way you can get those motions down good, and it looks a lot better than when you're trying to stumble through it and you end up making mistakes and it looks like you don't know how to handle the cards. So definitely take your time practicing this move. It definitely takes a lot of time and practice, but definitely keep practicing it until you feel comfortable. Once you feel comfortable, then you can start using it in your performances. If you need to just use a basic false cut, then just do the one I showed you in the beginning of the video. Just basic like that. But that's basically it. Those are the two most basic false cuts I know how to do, at least. It's just the basic swing cut and then the 180 helix or 190 helix. I hope that was informative enough for you. If not, please let me know and then I'll do my best to either make another video for you guys, kind of going more in depth into it, or responding in the comments or something, so that way I can help you guys with being able to get these moves down to the best of your ability. But yeah, that's it. Alright, that's it. That is the tutorial. I hope it was informative enough for you guys. If not, definitely let me know down below in the comments, and I will do my best to get back to you, either by making another video or some other way to show you guys how to do this trick better. Or not trick, sleight of hand move, we'll call it that. Show you guys how to do it better. I'm still trying to get my teaching skills better, because I feel like I ramble too much and I repeat myself, but then I feel like I'm not as informative as I should be. So if I am a bit confusing, just let me know, and I will definitely improve in the future videos to come. Next Monday will be another trick tutorial. It won't be a move, it won't be a sleight of hand technique. It'll be an actual trick that you can actually go out and perform and fool people, because it's a pretty good one. Pretty simple, pretty easy to do, but it is very effective. But anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, let me know down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it around, all that good stuff. Just show me that you care. Show me that you care, and I'll keep doing this. But yeah, that's it from you guys. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.